This is Umair, your Customer Success Manager for Modern Work here at Microsoft. It's time for another Teams TidBits. Let's introduce a new app for Microsoft Teams. I've got Walt here, one of our Customer Success Managers at Microsoft. How you doing, Walt?
I'm doing well, Umair, thank you. You know, chances are by now you've been on a couple Microsoft Teams meetings. And if you're like me, you even hosted some pretty large ones as well. Well, with those larger meetings also comes the sea of questions coming through in the chat. And it can become a headache at times if you have a lot of people on. Well, luckily, Microsoft has come out with a solution for that. It's called the Q&A app, and it's built right into Microsoft Teams meetings. Let's take a look at how this works. So I'm already in a Teams meeting, and if I wanted to install the app, if I find the ellipsis towards the top of my screen, I can click on the Add an App button. I can add it from here. If it doesn't show up on the landing screen, just type in Q&A. Now, once it is installed, all of your attendees will be able to find the app at the top, and then from here, they can start discussions or ask questions. Now, you and your presenters, they'll be able to moderate these questions and discussions that are coming through. So if, say, for example, this discussion or question does not contribute to what's being talked about in the meeting, you can choose not to have other people see it. Or you can always publish it so that way people can go ahead and see and respond to this question coming through. Let's take a look at all the published questions so far. Now, once we're in here, we'll be able to see all the different information or even other comments that people may have made. We can respond to these different questions that are coming through and see what other people have said. We can even mark this off as a best answer if we see that somebody else went ahead and said it best. A fantastic way to go ahead and add to your Teams meeting experience.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Walt, for that demo. If you'd like to learn more about the Teams Q&A app, go to aka.ms/TeamsT. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.